Hey guys, how's everybody doing? Can you guys hear me?
How are you doing? Yeah, we can hear you.
Very good. Okay, what a day, huh?
I know.
Oh, what's happening? Hold on.
Yeah, they should give us a good injection rather than giving this slow poison. I hate it. Give a good long wicks, downturn, big volume, make a big market 20% down. I really don't care. Because that's where it's found. This slow poison kills it.
Yeah,
You
let me just first do that disclaimer, then we'll just go ahead. Hello everyone, please read a disclaimer. Everything we are sharing educational purpose only. Everything we are sharing educational purpose only. As an investor or trader, you need to do your own due diligence. We are sharing only our opinion only. This is only our opinion. Okay, now that that's over, uh, sorry Raman, go ahead. You are saying something.
No, I was just saying this slow poison is worse than a big drop. Because when big drop happens, people come in and they'll push up the market.
Right.
But yeah, these small drops are really not good.
Yeah, I wanted to just quickly check Finviz and then we'll do a analysis on the sector. You know which sector money is going. Anyone want to volunteer for Finviz sector? What do you see? Okay, you see my desktop, right? Okay,
Yes,
what happened?
yeah, we can see it.
What happened this morning? I guess it was nice, like at 10 o'clock. It looks like Dow was going up, but still, I'm surprised Dow is still it's plus. Nasdaq just earlier this morning, I was looking at Nasdaq future. Nasdaq future was down, but slowly it came back up when market opened. Now it's trying to come back in positive side. S&P still it's not bad, and it's staying on the plus side. But we'll see what happens. But the thing I wanted to share, look at Spider. So this is where whenever when we say that it's a lot of sell up happening, sell happening, but you can see that we're going to look at the heat map, look at the spider while money is rotating. Oh man, I just gotta money is rotating. Let me kill my Outlook. Okay, but look at that on the heat map technology, money shifting from technology going to different financials, consumer discretionary, healthcare, industrials, materials. Their money is going, but it's not like people are doing a lot of sell off. People just taking money from here, putting money there. So it's shifting is happening. The other thing you can do also on the high level. Oh, come on, sector. Let it. You see, if you're on a look at 2 days, what happened? Communication. Most of the money is going in financial areas, materials, financial sector. And if you'd be looking at okay, what are the stocks are in there, this is those who is doing Excel, you can see that is on the right side. You can take a look at it. All right? But it's not like a lot of sell-off is happening and then people are just sitting there with the cash. It's just people, if money is rotating from one sector to another sector, technology is getting hit. You see the technology, real estate is getting there, but technology and communication is the one so far these two is negative. I would not be surprised by the end of the day, they are coming close to at least positive. But tomorrow, just watch like tomorrow you are going to see that market might gap up, means on the green days, and then these guys are going to do well. All right.
Could you please?
Oshi,
Yeah, go ahead.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, Raman, if you're asking the same thing, but people in the Telegram room are saying they can't get in. Do we have personalized links for Mondays, or my link
Yes,
is good for
Mondays
everyone?
is always personalized link, and it's like it paid personalized. Everybody have that in their email.
Right, for the paid meetings.
Yes,
Cindy says she can't get in. Patrick says she can't get in. I don't know.
do not know what else the other guys are doing, and it's like uh, they should be able to get in. Um, I did not make any changes. I see that we have a few of us here. It's the same link you are using, right, Raman? Same one you are using your personalized link, Mark, right?
Yeah, we're using the same.
Right, I'm using the one in my calendar, same as always.
So
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Just tell them, just know if they have to use it, re-register it, just personalize it, re-register it.
Well, they can re-register again.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
You know,
They
do
should-
we have that link? Where's that? Yeah, my meetup.
No, come on, Mark. You know better now. Is it for public?
Oh no, but is it a?
Okay.
Yeah,
All right. So
yeah.
hopefully that gives you an idea. This is not a public link. This is the one, paid room link. We do this Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday on the same one. We have been
I know.
telling people. Okay. If they are looking at the wrong
It
one,
should
I
be in
think
their email.
maybe you should have a session with them, how to use the Outlook and then how to put, we should have an Outlook in 101 session, right? I see Patrick is back in the room.
I feel I need some
Harsha,
help, guys.
Harsha reposted the link
Yeah,
for
we just did.
registering.
I know we had some Mickey Mouse who tried to hack your Zoom meeting last time, but it's really an issue of always changing this. So I don't know how you guys can figure out a way of.
What last time, Mark, if you have your calendar open, can you just show people what do you do that people know and are not on the web? And this way you do not have to do all the time. It's just like on Office 365. If you go office.com, you'll see on your calendar, on the calendar, it just Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, you can add the same personal link. And then when you're ready to come in, you don't have to go look for which one it is, because we are using the same link for paid members on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and another one, the one last night happened Friday free, another one. Then just one paid, one free. So whenever you see this a paid session, use that personalized link. If it's a free one, use that personalized link. So this way, like last time, what you saw that we had Zoom hack was going on, that will be stopped because we know who that person and coming in right away. Zoom is going to be able to let me know this is the person did it, so we can ban that person from our community. Okay, that's why.
But if I go in Teams and I look at calendar, there's nothing. It's empty.
That calendar is like you have to add that Teams calendar. We do not add because everyone on as a team. You let me show you. I guess maybe this is something.
I can't share mine, so yeah.
If you go calendar on you see the calendar.
Yes.
On your calendar, you can go here and then you can put the personal link you get in your email or wherever you have, right? You just add it here Monday, and then just put the link, whatever your personal link, and then add like all day or not, whatever time it is, and just keep doing it, repeating every Monday, every Tuesday. You can keep adding it recurrence.
Yeah, it says does not repeat. You change that.
Here you see the do not repeat. You can say daily. On the daily side, you can have you see the archive every day, and if you want to do every day, when Monday to Friday, or you just say every day 1 hour. That the rest you guys already know how to use calendar.
But that's for Monday to Wednesday. You're using one code.
Yes, Monday to Wednesday is one code, the one you have personal, and then whenever you're ready to come in, you're going to see in your calendar. Okay.
Right. And the other day, which one do we
The
use?
other day, one like last night, you joined, same one is going to be used.
Yeah, you just have to do like every Monday. You have to make another one for every Tuesday,
Yeah,
another one for every
you
Wednesday.
just do paid chat Zoom, right? Paid session. Paid session, you're going to use that today's one, and the other one, the free session, you're going to use the other one. All right, and then put it in your calendar, and then every time you log on, you don't have to go back. You just look into here.
Okay, we'll try it out. Okay, thank you.
Yep, I am not changing. Only thing before we added one that at the end it has a 483. That one got hacked, and then it looks like with the Zoom, you want muted me. I guess somebody didn't like me talking, or myself.
That was me. I did it by mistake. Sorry.
That's okay. No worries. Okay. Yeah, that's what
Hey, Mushi, other quick tip, other workaround or the quick way to do it is when we register for the meeting, we get the email. It has a download or add to calendar button. You can just click that and it adds to your calendar. That's the quickest thing.
Yep. Thank you, Harsha. See, there are there are many ways you can do. This is not like one single answer. Now let's get back, like what you said, in the sector is moving, and this morning what I'm looking at, I was looking at this dude a lot. Tesla. I have Tesla got upgraded. I thought around sometime, and I shared Tesla got upgraded. You might see, but it did not make too much difference. It just came down. But anyway, you'll see is Tesla will turn around soon. It's just a matter of time. Today, I think Morgan Stanley or one of them just or Goldman Sachs, they upgraded to 1,000. But that's what that. Some of them are crazy, but which is good. If it does, it's good for others. But if we look at that last 1 hour 30 minutes, it's doing. It came down from here. It came up, and I thought it's going to go higher. Now it's coming down, pulling back. Okay. And I know, Raman, you asked about this the indicator. I shared that also in the research room. So those who wants to play with it, you're welcome to do it. But it's simple also way to do Bollinger Band. You don't have to go through all those. Okay. I am looking. When I say looking, I have Amazon. I know that I'm still more looking to get some more Amazon. But this morning, I thought if you look at where is Amazon, it touched over 300, 390 or 3,000. If you look at today, it went at a good move, 330, 340, and I thought it's going to go over 31, but it did not. With the market momentum, it pulled back. The end of the day, let's see how it turn around. If it can stay up. But I am bullish. If you look at last 15 minutes, Amazon looked like it pulled back a little bit, came back up. We'll see. But beside that, and the another one, I did shopping this morning. Tigger Financial Services. You see that it was $18. It pulled back $17. But when it came around this time, I took it. If you look at it, it's not staying within the band, but it's a good price to get in. And I'm here for when I have stock and options both. All right. That's all I got today. But let's see. What are we doing? What are we seeing with SPY? If you look at an SPY, this morning I think for short term. Look at SPY and it came down, it pulled back. It's not bad. It's not like SPY is on really, really down. Look at 380. If you look at it in a whole market index, it's doing very well, which we already saw earlier in the heat map, right? And Nasdaq QQQ. Not bad. This is the chart does not look bad. Looks like it's too bad. Look at it. If it goes down, it came down. It's trying to stay above. But let's say no, 307. If it does, if it goes above 307, then you're going to see that today Nasdaq is going to stay with a positive 307, 309. I'm doing for short term just today. That's a 15 minutes to 30 minutes chart I'm looking, and IWM mid market and small mid market. This is beautiful. They are just keep going higher and higher. You're going to see that, and it's going to go more higher. It's crazy.
How long do you think this trend will go on when it rotates into the small and the small tech or the non-big tech? How long do you think this rotation is going to last?
Cindy, it's hard to say and how long is going to be rotation going to be there. But now some of the companies, if you look at during this rotation also, if you look at Geo, Google, so it's not all the companies is getting hammered. You see Google,
Mm-hmm.
Look at Google. If we go even a weekly chart, Google was, if you, every week, like look at 15, chart looks very healthy, and it doesn't look like last few weeks all the others went down. Google did not go too much down.
Okay.
See that?
Yeah. How do we know when to rotate out of? Because I didn't rotate out of the tech fast enough, so I'm
no. It's not. You are not alone, Cindy. You know the Kathy. Kathy got even. Kathy, everyone follows her.
Yeah.
Everybody follows. Kathy got hammered too, right?
Yeah.
But this is something that what we do. We kept saying, look at Finviz, look at sectors, But one of the best way to do, look at your portfolio. On the portfolio side, you see the index on my left side here. All this in a different index. So look at that sectors that you are in. So if we have the technology heavy, not others we do not have, you are going to lose money. One of the analysis I did earlier, did anybody see this one? It was really good. There's someone asked me the question about these two, DXQLX and UOPIX. Both are ETF. It's Nasdaq 100 ETF. But look at this in DX. This one, what I did, this way you know that how to do this analysis on your own too. I went to Seeking Alpha. Okay, here this is on DXQL. Once you go to Seeking Alpha, it's free. Once you go there, look at that data in this sector. This is a ETF. There's 2x ETF sitting on all this. Bull 2x ETF fund. We know now it's Nasdaq is hammered. But look at that technology. Technology, it has a 3.6% communication, consumer good, all these different Nasdaq top 100 is holder sitting here, right? But look at here the performance. I had it, performance return. See the return, the 77% in the first year, in the second year, third year, fifth year, 10 years, last 10 years performance. If you would be sitting in this portfolio. Now the other one and the other one also he had, but the thing is this one, the technology has a 3.this%. He has DXQLQ, and the other one is, what does he have? And UOPIX. If you're not speaking, mute your line, please. UOPIX. UOPIX. Now, when it comes up, look at the return. This one is the technology is 22%. You see that? How heavy on technology side? And the other one is around 3.8% or something, right?
Yeah.
The other is diversified, but look at the return. 1 year, 3 years return. You see?
Okay. Yeah.
So when you start asking how do you manage your portfolio, even no one knows. We are right now technology went so heavy that's why it's Nasdaq getting hammered. But if somebody just showed me this, I thought that's a really cool cool to take a look at it and just you decide which one you want to be. If you're long term, next 2 years, 3 years, you might not want to chase in all of them. Just out of these two ETF, you just pick one and sit with it. If you believe in technology got hammered enough, it's gonna turn around, then buy this one. If you believe no, technology is still too high, you have a chance. The other one still has higher growth.
Okay. So is this instead of the QQQ? You would get into this instead of the QQQ? This is the ultra QQQ.
You have to make that decision. QQQ is one index, this is a double. This is also
okay. This is the, okay. So these are the
this
leverage.
is also if it goes Nasdaq goes hammered, you're going to lose more money.
Okay.
You remember it's 2x ETF.
Okay.
So that's also something sometimes you need to pay attention. And so is this really bottom enough, or you might want to take a small position?
Okay.
See what happens. And
Yeah.
then if you just keep keep going down more slowly, you can add it.
Yeah.
But this is something out of these two ETF, what I share here, I thought is really good that you decide which one you want to go with. These are these. And I also posted both pictures in front of you.
Okay. So this would be the inverse of the SQQQ, which is to hedge against this, right?
Yes, SQQQ is the one is downside here.
Yeah, this is the upside, and the other one is
upside. And then you have Nasdaq TQQQ as also there, right? So this one is pretty much it's a ETF. You saw that how they
this is
set
okay.
up ETF, right?
Okay.
That's what I wanted to share. That I saw this. I thought it's really good.
Mushi, on same point, do you think Gush is the good ETF for oil? Its oil is moving higher. GUSH, it's.
Abhi, in the past I got burned with the Gush.
Yeah, it's moving faster. That's so. Yeah, I'm scared.
And then since then I walk away. I do not want to. I don't have enough. Not about time or resource to keep an eye with that whole industry. Things happens in Saudi and outside our territory. We do not know what they do, and this thing goes crazy and then goes down, right? OPEC, what they do, OPEC. So I just want to stay with the things I really know and just not to like.
Yeah, one time it was like 24K. I don't know. Just crazy numbers.
Yeah. I don't know. And I know a lot of people they are in crude oil. That's all they do. Future. Sometimes they come out is so happy, and the next few days I say, "What happened? I lost so much money." So then it's just like when I say like, I don't have enough knowledge and the bandwidth also to keep learning what's happening to the industry. So I'm staying away from that.
Okay. Yeah, makes sense, Mushi. Yeah, thank you.
Anyone on doing Gush? Sounds like others are not interested to talk about Gush. What else are you guys buying or looking, paying attention to today with the market?
I'm not doing anything much.
Sorry. NVIDIA?
NVIDIA?
Yeah. It's gone down today, and I mean, it was up to 600 before at the all-time high, and now it's like 470. I'm just wondering if I should get more or it's had its day.
How Hans, NVIDIA, if you really believe in NVIDIA, yesterday, I think, or a few days ago, we have a couple more tickers in the same similar industry. You might want to look into diversify or just
And
see.
AMD, yeah, AMD and
I did not. I look into. I said, look, I forgot. I'm not into this. But Nvidia, it's price is good, but I'm not sure, when it's going to come back to 600, 550. Right now, it's below.
it's
below
470.
right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
470.
I remember in
Yeah.
the morning I saw it. It got hammered. Yeah. This morning at some point, the Beyond Meat. Did you guys see the Beyond Meat? Anybody looking at Beyond Meat? Yeah. So earlier, here what I could not finish my thought. If you look at on Google is doing well. If you look at weekly, daily, it did not get hammered too much. It came down. It's coming back up. But if you look at others, yeah, Apple, Microsoft, Apple is still, Apple, Microsoft, they got, Apple got hammered this morning. I see that it's coming down 117. I didn't add any because I already have so much Apple that I want to wait and get something else. But can it come back, looking at it, of course, you'll see that an Apple is going to turn around. This is good, strong company. If somebody is looking to get in strong company, this is a strong company. It's going to turn around. That's good. You see that when you're at the bottom bar, you're getting a good bargain price. That's also if you're sitting with the cash, you're looking, okay, where can you get it? I would not buy all, but I would consider getting that. But Apple is chart looks in Apple is bearish. No, but it will turn around. Look, Netflix. Netflix is below 500, but in the last 4 hours, red. Can it go down more? Yeah, it can go down more. Below, it can go down below 500, but it still is a good price to get it. Is it overpriced for Netflix? Some of them, yes, on that. So price wise, yeah, if you do not want to go this, you want to go small cap, then you look for small cap, where what I say, I would not touch them. I would just go, safer something that, like we talked last night also, I do not want to go in all those. But one of the thing also earlier, I think when you mentioned Roku, look at Roku, the Roku chart. Oh, come on, Roku is going all the way down, coming back up. It's just short term. You're looking at 5-minute chart. Some of these 5 minutes, it's just looking at 5 minutes Bollinger Band. You can time frame. It's comparing. But Roku is good buy. You'll see the way they are doing the platform and making a lot of partners. You see they're at the bottom. It's going to turn around. The Roku. I guess right now, or because I'm not today, I'm not buying much, the rest I'm just watching what happens market, and hopefully that tomorrow you'll see that is market is going to be kept up, and then it's going to go higher. But now even though Senate passed it, they have to go one more round on this $1.9 trillion stimulus, go back in the House, go approved and stuff. There are some delay in the time, but again the market is doing it because not only that, then bond market this morning in 10 years treasury went up a little bit again, slow down. But across the world, that it looks like bond market is coming down. So when that's happened, you will see that also in the value of the dollar also is slowly is going up, So when that happens, you are going to see that more money is coming inside in USA. So when more money coming in US market, and that of course people are going to have more confidence that okay, stock market is getting settled down, equity is going to go higher. So it's just a matter of time. In next couple of days, it's just going to shake off a couple more new investors or traders, and after that, it will turn around market. We'll see the green days very soon.
Mushi, Abdul mentioned about Workhorse last week as a trade alert. Friday, I missed it. I was thinking of getting in today, but it already went like $2 up. Is it still a good price for Workhorse?
Workhorse. Let's see Workhorse. Yeah, if I look at 1 hour, it's just up. 1 hour is good, healthy move. Yeah, from here, $13 to $15. Still is good, healthy move. But I see that it does look for short term. It does look like it might be some people are taking the profit out. You see, it touched 1614, and now if I'm looking at 30 minutes, let's see what happened. 30 minutes, 15 minutes. You're right there. It all depends. Are you looking into doing something short term, or are you looking to get in something for long term? And when I said long term, at least you are looking at 9 months to 1 year.
Yeah, long term is fine. Nine months plus is fine. Yeah.
Then this is a good. It still is a good price to get in. Okay.
So
Okay.
I got Workhorse the other day at 1344. And so I don't know. I think it was mentioned or something. Maybe it was it.
I think he did.
Abdul?
Abdul mentioned it. Mark, maybe you didn't hear
Abdul,
what he
right.
mentioned.
Abdul mentioned it.
Yes.
Up 16%.
Yes.
But would you ride this a little higher today?
Yeah.
If it's
Well, yeah, that's why you are looking at it, a trade for swinging or make some profit and walk away. He's looking for 9 months. For next 9 months, if you're looking at this
Right.
Workhorse, look at 9 months Workhorse. It touched what was that? $42. You're looking at monthly chart, weekly chart. So you just have to know how high it can go higher. So since you already have a plan for next 9 months, 1 year, I am talking 9 months and 1 year is a good price to buy. All right, you do not have, because you do not know if it's going to pull back or it's going to, like I said, tomorrow you might see that market might open up, gapped up. When gapped up, some of this stock, you might say, no, why didn't you get it earlier? All right, so still I would consider, if I'm long, I want to put something for long term, it's a good price to get in. But you may not want to buy all same time. You can buy slowly with a small chunk and see what happens. And let's say, next is like, if it goes after, if you see that it's $16, right now it is around $15. $16 is going to go higher. If you see $17, it's going to go higher. And then if you pull back 1502, let's 15. So this is how you can break it in multiple chunk. If you want to invest $1,000, then put in, okay, you're going to put $300 or $350 now and see what happens, which side it goes to. And then watch next year couple days and then deploy the other cash slowly. That's also something you can create your own strategy. Okay.
Mushi, can you have a look on GE, General Electric?
GE was doing well. I saw earlier that today it was green. Yeah, if you look at it, the today's short term, it did well. Right now it just come, but last if you look at it in all the bar, 30 minutes bar, pretty much in a big bull. This sell happened, and then now from then from around 10 o'clock, it's consistently going higher. So yeah, but it's bullish for short term. If I'm looking at one hourly, still is bullish. It's a good sign. It's good. And of course, the market, if you look at 4 hours, bullish is going to keep going higher. All right.
Any thoughts on the Baba?
Oh, Baba. Man, you are throwing the salt on the wound, man. Baba is just all Chinese stock is getting hammered today. Baba alone, not even Baba alone, all of them. Big sell-off happened. Look at that, When was that? Today around 7:30. You see big sell-off. Huge.
How does the flow looks on Baba, Mushi?
Sell-off. It's let me see. I have not checked this morning. Come on. Come on. Oh, actually, earlier I had another chart. Did you guys see what was the chart earlier I had? Anybody looked into the chart, the ticker?
No, not me.
You guys are all sleeping, man.
What was it? IWIM?
IMBT. Look at it. This is something that I had somebody asked me to take a look at it. I looked into it. I bought some this morning. I forgot to say. If you see that, and I've been looking at the trend on this one. It's been as it's going higher. These guys are buying. These guys are also in a scam. But it came down. These guys are the algo is buying. So I just bought some in this morning. And this is a biotech pharma. I just had a small amount, I just wanted to learn about this company, see what they do, and they had some good news, and they had a lawsuit got cleaned up and stuff. So slowly want to see what happens to them. Okay, let's see the Baba. If you see, well, Baba is actually as it is going down. Again, these guys are buying. You can see that here. They're buying.
Yeah, it was the same case on Thursday and Friday.
Of
Also.
course, they are going right now with the current price. Baba it's a bargain price. So those who has tons of money, they're going to sell some other thing and put the money in there. Even when it's a tons of, you'll see that I would not be surprised to see some big fund money, billions sitting in Google. They're going to take the money from Google, put the money in some of the technology like this. What's really went under. If you look at Baba now, Baba lost all the gain for a year. Look at Baba monthly. Monthly, look at here. Right now, Baba is around 239. A year ago, where was last year? Baba was where? 215. It's almost touching. 213 and to this 240. Pretty much, they lost all the gain. So when you're looking at the growth company and stuff and what happened, if you can, Baba is a good price to buy. But look at the same thing with Amazon. If you a year ago, Amazon was here, but look at where Amazon is. The same industry. Look at where Amazon. Look at it. So if you compare that in a market pullback more, which one has a more chance to stay more better position, you decide. So that's why the other guys are there. They are not taking honestly, the other guy, institution, is not taking their money out from the market. They are moving from one stock to another stock. They're rotating what we have seen earlier. Okay. Okay. What else? What else you guys are doing, or what's on your mind?
Munshi, you were going to discuss regarding Beyond Meat. I don't know if I missed something out there.
Beyond Meat got upgraded. And then this morning you could look at it. It's going to have Beyond Meat also, BYND. You can. I've seen that a lot of buying happen on Beyond Meat. If you see it, this 30-minute chart this morning, when market opened up, you see the Beyond Meat was keep going higher. Now again pull back. But when the market pullback, it happened. If you believe in the company, it will go a little bit higher.
Thank you.
Yeah, and it got some upgrade also Beyond Meat. So there are some news came out. I don't exactly remember what it is, but let's see. Where is it? Beyond Meat? What news came out? BYND. Oh, it's not here. It didn't pick up here. Let's see, Seeking Alpha. Somewhere. That's why sometimes not all of them, but I remember seeing the activities Beyond. Let's see, register the news. Today it's not happened here. Or now let's look at the algo. BYND. What was algo doing? Come on. Come on, algo. You see that here today, as these guys is price going high, this is also going high. So algo is also buying. It's not like algo is selling. If you look at 1-minute chart, you just have to give it time to upgrade or update the data. It's going. You see that in here, 1-minute chart with Beyond Meat around 12 o'clock. You see that? Even if I go earlier, price going down, this guy going up. So algo is keep buying, All right. What else? Anything else?
Lucy, did you talk about Zoom already?
No, I did not talk about Zoom. How about you? You shared Zoom. What's your view? Why do you want to talk about Zoom?
Well, I am holding Zoom at higher price 370. I know it's going down, so I'm just wondering if I need to add more or just hold on. That's the only reason.
Okay. And anyone else has Zoom?
I do.
Yes, Mushi, I
This is
do.
Cindy.
Okay. So what are you guys doing? Are you guys keeping Zoom?
I'm holding on for
Yeah.
now.
Okay. How about Bajo? You're holding on now?
Yes.
Okay. So it looks like people are bullish with Zoom.
I got out of it, but I think with some of these high tech stocks, the high growth ones, if you like them, my strategy is to keep buying a little on the way down. Like I'm assuming that this might not be over. It might not bounce back right away. So I bought like multiple times. I bought Zoom on the way down. So I averaged down, and it's still below where I averaged down. So that's my thinking. Is that some of these good companies that eventually, they're going to go back up. even if they're overvalued, they'll grow into their valuation. They have the potential like to bounce up a lot if they catch on fire again. But my thinking is to not buy too much at one time.
Yep. Yep. Thanks, Mark, for sharing. How about others? Patrick, you're still here, right?
Moshe, these banks are going up. They can keep going up further. I didn't have any entry.
Which one?
Banks like Wells Fargo and Citigroups that keep going up today.
Yeah, Madhu,
Can we still enter?
Yeah, some of them banking, of course, when technology suffer, financial is going to go higher, right? We opened up earlier, we did see that, rotation is happening. You'll see that it's going to slow down. It's going to slow down. And that's what is going to happen. Slow down. It's not today. In the next few days, you'll see the banking going to get suffered. People are going to go technology again.
Yeah, that's right. Okay, I'll follow it. It's already up, so no point.
Yeah, I don't. You not want to touch it. When it's up already, you wait till when it's deep.
Right. Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
Disney seems to be on a breakout machine. Not sure if you're watching it.
What? I'm sorry?
Disney seemed to be.
Yeah, Disney is like, I saw that it touched close to the 200, right?
It's flying now to 138.
They're reopening in California.
That's what I heard. Yeah.
Yeah, I saw Disney this morning, and it says, oh man, I was just looking at a few days ago Disney, and just I didn't get in. Oh, nowadays the way everything is is doing, yeah, Disney chart is beautiful. I feel like it's keep going higher. It's over 200. But I was looking at it a few days ago. If you look at it, that Disney touched here. I'm like, okay, it's touching, and we do not know that if it can come out of this. So I did not wanna get into more Disney and see what happens. But yeah, look, today it even gapped up. It opened up, gapped up. So this is good. Yeah, Disney has a good run. Nice, it's bullish. Looks like, cool.
Mushi, can you show why you, if you saw something on the chart that caused you to buy the TIGR? I mean, I saw the big dip, and I like the fintech area, like it's China specifically, but I'm wondering if you saw something you could show us.
Now TIG is what I see. I looked into long term. If you look at that, the daily chart, look at TIG. Where was it? Around $34, $30, right? And currently China, all the China stock is getting hammered. In financial sector, I know I looked into fundamental. This is a good company. It's going to turn around. So when I see that, you see that at the bottom, it just keep getting out of the band and got out and got back in, is there. So since I've been saying that it's keep going down, I just put some small position on this one. Okay. And then I believe that, I'm also diversifying my portfolio. So, financial, I would rather put money in where it can give me higher return. So I'm bullish that it's going to come back to a 30 zone.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
I sometimes I have to just trust what you and Abdul and others post, because if you don't act quickly,
some of the stuff, we do not act, it's too late. But nowadays, we're looking into more, not in scalping, looking, hey, it's a good company, it's going to turn around, it's a business. Also business is the different sector, not technology. It's fintech is very strong. So if you do not have any financial sector exposure in your portfolio, you might want to add some. So that was my whole reason, was like I want to have this. I had a JPM before, JP Morgan. I got out JP Morgan, so getting in different sector where I can make more money. And Bank of America also, when it was I got in Bank of America and lower price, I cashed out when I had a number in my mind. So I'm just putting that in different sector. in similar sector, different company, or is going to give me better return. Okay. So this is what we do. We do not go like, whenever, you see this keep going higher, like today, look at the JPM, or I think Madhu was talking about,
Citibank and Wells Fargo.
okay, now let's say Citibank. Let's look at your Citi. Yeah, see, I would never buy it. See, if I look at the chart, daily chart is it's touching higher. You're gonna pull. I'll buy it on pull back. This is on IO. We are all learning here together. You do not wanna buy when it's almost like all-time high. It's keep going higher and higher. It's gonna pull back. Buy when pull back. And so they compare this with the other ticker, TIGR. It doesn't take a genius to decide which one you should be buying. Buy low, sell high, right? This is what we do. That's my reason.
So two-way high.
Yep. So now you know, right? And like Mark and when you said, on me and Abdul, we share in stuff you finally believe, but we also share with you our reason why we're doing, and then we ask you also to do your own due diligence sometimes. But these are the things you can see. You can, okay, why did Mushi say it? Is it short term, long term? Or if you are looking at something short term, yeah, this is not the right place. But if you look at it, if somebody has looking into the short term gain, still it has a short term next 15 minutes. If I come in 15 minutes, it has a room to go higher. 15 minutes.
I just took a quick look. I saw that it had a big dip. I saw what the company, that it was in fintech, that it was in China. So I also thought this would be good for me to diversify, and I like buying things on dip. So I didn't put a huge amount of money in it, but I did look at it. I've learning just not to buy things completely blindly, because at least I feel like if I see a good reason to own it, then if it doesn't do well short term, I don't regret having it in my portfolio. So
that's a very good logic. Correct. That's what we all need to develop on our own. Whenever you see a business, it goes down, and then you feel bad and say, no, what mistake I made. But when you spend some time like Mark and do your own research, then it's going to give you more confidence knowing that this is a strong company. It's going to turn around. Okay. So yeah, it is almost time. Anyone else has anything to share?